Hi, this is your Common Techie. This is day 3 of my DSA course where I solve Leetcode problems daily. So here is today's problem. Create target array in the given order. So what we are given here is two arrays, nums and index. So basically the order is like this. We need to start from left to right and read nums and index. So what we need to do is like we need to insert the index at we need to insert the index of I uh, in the target value with the nums of I value. So it's better if we go with an example first. So here we are given two, as we can see here we are given two arrays, nums and index. These are 0 1 2 3 4 and 0 1 2 2 1. So output would be 0 4 1 3 2. And how we are doing is like so first we need to see index 0, we need to put value 0, so that's why it is 0 here. Then we need to see index 1, we need to put 1 here, so that's why 1 we have put here. After that we need to see index at index 2, we need to put value 2. So at index 2 we have put value 2. After that at index 2 we need to put value 3. So yes, we can see at index 2 we have put value 3 here. Lastly at index 1 we need to put value 4. So in the last we can see at index 1 we have put value 4. So that's the problem. So we'll first discuss with how should we do it. So already as we can see we have these two arrays. What we can do is like we can go left to right. We can check what index it is, and somewhat we can check if that index is already filled in that array. Uh, then we need to right shift this operator, right shift all the elements. So for example here, if I see, so let's take this example, 0 1 3 2. So when we inserted 4 at this place, what we did is like we shifted all the elements to one right, and then this place got empty and we placed 4 here. So we can do it by array. What we can do is like we can check if there's any position in the new array already filled. Then we need to right shift every element of the array, and we can lastly we can insert that element in this. But yeah, that won't be a very good problem. So we um, when we need to insert in middle, uh, uh, list lists are compared very good in comparison with array. So what we can do is like we can use the concept of list. So we'll just start coding here. uh, so list of we'll take a list. So we'll just iterate through uh, a for loop, and we'll keep adding every element of the index um, to the list. So yeah, we'll just do it here. So here basically we are specifying the index where we need to place and the value what we need to place. So this is just for getting the output array. As we can see, we need to uh, return the value in the form of an array. So we are just retrieving the array from the list. So yeah, we'll quickly write similar code. And since we have got this result, and we'll just return the result. So this is what it is like. We'll just quickly try to run the problem. My bad, a bit typo here. Yeah, so as we can see, all the cases are being passed. Uh, we'll try to submit. As you can see, it beats 100%, so it's the optimized solution for this problem. The complexity would be around n square, the worst time complexity. But yeah, then again, I am quite um, a beginner in these questions. We are trying to grow as we go forward. So yeah, please comment the best time complexity also in the comment section. Yeah, thank you.